Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield, my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Some work going on the lift round here, so I'm going to get around there and have a look at what they're doing. Yeah, sun's out, big massive yellow thing in the sky. It took me a while to realise what it was after all that rain that we've had. I'll stay well back and have a look what these are doing. Looks like they're surveying something. Probably to finish off that cladding there, innit? Okay. I can hear quite a lot of work going on, so I'll have a little look around. Yeah, my video where I said that Liverpool had terminated my contract. A lot of you have shown me a lot of love, give me loads of advice. Guys, I'm fine, you know, I'm all right with it. I'm not that bothered. The pay wasn't great. The only issue I have with it is, we are. So we're going to be getting the crest up anytime soon. Didn't realise they got rid of that much scaffolding. The only issue I've got with it is, so I received an email back after I had to send a follow-up email, like, because the tone of the email was, well, I wasn't intending on emailing you back anyway, but because I'd emailed him again, he thought he had to. And to clarify why I wasn't being offered work anymore. So just to put this straight, because I've had someone who obviously works at Liverpool saying, well, it's not really a contract, it's, you get offered work and they just stopped offering you work. Yeah, I know. But I must have signed some sort of contract, because I'll get to the point in a minute. So what it is, Liverpool offer you work, then you accept or decline it. They don't have to offer you the work, even though you're on their books, they don't have to offer you the work. But I was one of them stewards that, you know, never missed a shift. Always early. I was kind of one of the first there. So I was pretty much guaranteed the work. It's those that like say that they can't make 1 week, or they can't, you know, for some reason or other they can't make it. And there's quite a lot of stewards like that can't make every game, which is fine because they got other jobs and stuff like that. But I could, because I'm self-employed. So yeah, Liverpool don't have to offer you the work, but they would have offered me the work, because I know that for a fact. Now, I'm not really bothered about it, only the answer to the unfairness of it is in one of my videos. So he says that the reason why, because I identified myself as a steward. I'll put the rest of this message up, because the tone of the email was, you know, was quite rude, to be fair. It says that I chose to involve myself in an incident. Chose to involve myself. Not doing your job, but chose to involve myself in an incident. It's the way he worded it. Thought it was a bit rude. I'll put that bit up on the screen now. But in my stadium tour video, the tour guide says that everyone is treated equal.
And they will give you the time of day. Jager instilled that it's a privilege and an honour to play for Liverpool Football Club. That's why there's no name on that. If that was Jose Mourinho, that'd be big flashing lights or something to say that's his office. He got asked, do you want your name on it? He said, no, I'm no bigger than that chef in that room. We're all a cog in the machine of Liverpool Football Club. I'm no bigger than anyone else. So if you ever see Jager, say hello, because he will give you the time of day.
And that comes from Jurgen Klopp. He doesn't have his name on his door because he says he's no more important than the chef who works across the way. So I assume that means he's no more important than a steward who works in the grounds. And that's a great philosophy to have. You know, I never think I'm above anyone. Like, I treat myself as equal to everyone. So whether you're homeless on the streets, I'm not above you. Whether you're a multi-millionaire with a yacht, you're not above me, okay? I bring myself as equal to everyone, okay? Now, if that's the case, then why are some employees allowed to post on social media but others aren't? I.e. players post on social media. Right, so I'll move off of this and move somewhere else. Who's the bigger risk? Me being particularly pleased with the job that I've done, posting it on social media, or a player saying where he's holidaying or where he trains every day, you know, what car he drives, you know, that's all on social media. That's all for everyone to see. So 2 examples are on the screen now. They didn't make the videos or take the photos, but they posted them. Just like I didn't take the video of me, but I posted it. What's the difference there? I'm not going to get an answer to that question, but if we're all equal, then why does it not run from top to bottom, the social media ban? And he also says that I signed a social media a form saying that I agreed to not post it on social media. I can't remember signing that form. I can't remember signing a contract. Do you want to know why? Because you get that much paperwork to sign, you don't know what you're signing for when you join. It's honest, it's ridiculous the amount of paperwork. You have to fill out an 80-page portfolio. You get all this paperwork thrust in front of you that you just put your signature to. I could have been signing my life away because you don't know. You don't read all the fine print. So maybe he did, maybe he didn't. I don't know. But have I got a point there? Let me know if you think I'm wrong, by the way. You know. Why can players post but other staff members can't? If everyone's equal in Jurgen Klopp's eyes. Does Jurgen Klopp know that his philosophy is just being booted out the window by certain people? Look at that pitch now. I just want to have a close look at that there. I thought there was someone standing there. Yeah, if you think I'm wrong, let me know I'm wrong. If you think I've got a point, then you know, let me know I've got a point. It's a good talking point. You know what? I'm not bothered about me. I wouldn't take the job back just for the way of being treated. I think it's a bit harsh. Even if I did breach a policy, they could have just called me and said, you know, don't do that. I'll say, okay, I won't. But to just get rid of you, you know. Yeah. I wouldn't take the job back. It's not the best job in the world, if I'm being honest. But I enjoyed doing it. I know it sounds stupid, doesn't it? Yeah. I enjoyed doing the job. But to be treated like that by people who you're meant to be equal to, you know, you're not equal to them. They look down at you. Most of them don't even acknowledge you. The best people that are there are the head stewards. Head stewards are brilliant. Chief stewards are brilliant. You know, I've met some really good people in the job. Yeah, there's not a lot going on inside. I thought I might have been getting that cladding done, but yeah, they're not. So look at the Forever Stones area. Come down a bit now. Yeah, but it's a good talking point this, so yeah. Lots of people commented. The only reason I brought it out is because lots of people commented in support of me. So I'd just like to know people's opinion on what I've said there. Is it fair that players can't and other staff members, players can and other staff members can't? Because I think I'm less of a risk than a player is. Also, I'm banging on about this now, aren't I? Also, all stewards walk to the game in a Liverpool tie. So, what? Yeah, it's contradictory. You're identifying yourself as a steward just by walking round, or as an employee of Liverpool Football Club just by walking round. Well, the road's really coming along there now, isn't it? Look at that. More than just over halfway across the back of the stand now. Yeah, so I've squeezed as much of that into this video as I can, because I'll draw a line under it now. It's a bit disappointing that you can't post on social media. I kind of understand why. The only thing I don't understand is why it doesn't apply to everyone. Just having a little look around here, guys, to make sure I haven't missed anything. Which I have missed something. I've missed the guys having cherry picker here, haven't I? But it's under the lift. Why did I not see that inside again before? Let me just get my bearings here, make sure, yeah, I'm a good height. Oh yeah, just tidying up the cladding in there, aren't they? Okay. That's interesting. Almost missed that, didn't I? Yeah, I can hear some sort of drilling going on, but I can't pinpoint where it is. So they're bringing the cladding up on that lift to take it. Yeah. So they've got it on a lift. The lads on the rope access lads are coming down, collecting it and taking it up to the lads on the roof. Are they going to stack it in one pile and then lay it when they got everything up there? Okay. Yeah, a lot going on today, guys. How long till the first match? It's not that long now, is it? What, 3 weeks? It's the first match at Anfield. 3 or 4 weeks, yeah, something like that. Right, I'll leave it there, guys. I've rambled on enough. I won't get any answers to my questions that I've asked from anyone official. But they need to look at the policy. Because I think social media is a brilliant thing. I do this now mainly because when I'm gone, the kids have got something to look back on. They got a couple of hundred videos so far to look back on of me, you know. Okay, I'm just talking, but that might be that little bit of comfort, you know, that they need sometimes with my voice. So that's why I do this mainly, just so there's something out there of me when I'm not here anymore. Life's very short, you don't know when it's going to end. So on that somber note, I'll end it there, guys. Okay, thanks for listening to me. I suppose I've been ranting today, which I don't like doing, but yeah, thanks. If you like the channel, please subscribe. If you're first time watching this, I don't normally do this. I just thought it was important to put out there just because of everyone's comments on my video. And likes are always appreciated. If you like the video, please like it so other people see it. And comment, let me know. You know, if you think I'm wrong, I'll take it on the chin. If you think I'm wrong, honest I will. I won't take offence to it. It'd just be nice to get people's opinions. Right, leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.